today we are going to do a deep dive on the automatically generated Avocado architecture model of a complex enterprise application called Acme CRM multi-node services architecture. On your screen in the browser, you are looking at the complete architecture model of the application, which is automatically built by the Avocado Reveal. The representation in this particular case, you would see multiple circles with color coding. Each circle represents an individual architecture module or submodule discovered and threat modeled and plotted into the architecture model. By hovering over every circle, you can see the attributes of that particular module, in this case, Zookeeper, the name of the application, the path, the IP addresses or the server it is running on, the TCP ports used by Zookeeper for its runtime activities and communication to clients, as well as internal services, and then the application path of that particular Zookeeper service. The threat model in this case has discovered 4 vulnerabilities associated to Zookeeper. In this particular case, the version number of this particular Zookeeper discovered on this application was 17.0.5. And then the vendor obviously is Oracle for the JDK associated to the Zookeeper. And Zookeeper itself is an Apache ecosystem application. Now, looking at this particular interaction, by double clicking, you can see all the other interdependencies in this particular model. Multiple services depend on Zookeeper for various activities, for messaging as well as message pipelining. As part of this application architecture, you would see MySQL database, you would see Elasticsearch databases or multi-node Elasticsearch databases, and multiple microservices communicating to it, including client, which are internet-based services coming into the service, and then the application communicating to backend services, which are either on internet or inside the enterprise ecosystem. All of those are auto-discovered and plotted in this particular application architecture model. The microservices, you can study them independently. Even if the microservices are in the range of thousands of them, you can they can still be discovered and studied independently. And you can walk through each microservice based on how it is architected, how it functions in runtime, and what vulnerabilities it exposes in runtime. So all of those are described here. Now, this particular model is an interactive model, and you can always zoom in, zoom out on various attributes of the application architecture. Now, the most important part of this particular architecture model is, number one, it provides you comprehensive architectural understanding of your complex application. It provides you details of each module and submodule associated, their interdependencies, how they correlate to each other, how they depend on each other, as well as what type of data transactions they performed. It gives you appreciation for the fact that your application is highly scalable and complex. And moreover, it provides you extremely detailed view of vulnerabilities, attacks, security configuration issues, and exploits which are happening in your application in runtime. And this model is on demand. You can always download this model from your Avocado Security Orchestrator by logging into it and looking into your own SSO view of your applications. For details, obviously, you can contact at info@avocadosys.com or get in touch with us, and we will provide you more details.